Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick assist video. Has this sound become like synonymous to the sound of death for you? For millions of Americans that are working and going to their jobs every day, it's this sound that you wake up to. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change this sound, okay? So all we have to do is, first, we're going to want to go to the clock. So the clock might be an app for you. And once you click there, it'll give you an option, alarms. Now I'm sure you've probably been here before to set your different alarms. Once you go to your alarm, go ahead and click that. Then you'll see sound. We're gonna go ahead and go to sound. And from here, you'll be able to choose. This is the default. It's called radio. And this is one that most of us, like if you hear it thousands of times over and over, it's gonna drive you nuts. So go ahead and mess around. Find something that's like, it's gonna wake you up, but still be a little bit more pleasant. So there's a lot of different options. That one's not bad. That one probably, so like this one, that won't wake you up, but this one probably will. Okay guys, so once again, let me show you. It's gonna be, you could go here to your clock, go to the sound, and then choose the sound you like. Now, for many of you, you will have this little app that says clock. And so go ahead and click that. And it's the same thing. It'll take you to your alarms. Once you get to your alarms, you open it up. So go down to alarms right here. Open it up, whatever alarm you want. And each alarm, by the way, can have a different sound. So if one is for a specific time, like a Zoom meeting or something, then you might want to change that sound from something from the default radio. All right guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please like or comment. Appreciate it. Bye bye. Subscribe.